In the next question, it was given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. We have to find D and A10 we have to find out there. Now here first term not there. To calculate everything, here we want the first term and common difference. A10 means that is A plus 9D. So we'll check whether from these two information we will get the value of A and D. So first information, that is A3. A3 is equal to 15 is given. What was the formula for A3? An was A plus n minus 1 into D. So A3 will be equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So it will be equal to A plus 2D is equal to 15. Make it equation number 1. Now next information which was given, that is S10 is equal to 125. Now again don't write the formula of S10 separately. In the left hand side, formula equal to 125. Don't break the continuity there. S10 is equal to 125. Formula for S10, 10 by 2 into 2A plus 10 minus 1, that is 9D is equal to 125. 10 and 2 we can cancel here, so it will be equal to 5. So we are getting 5 into 2A plus 9D is equal to 125. Now what we can do? We can shift this 5 to right hand side. So it will be equal to 2A plus 9D is equal to 125 divided by 5. So I am writing the answer. After the division we will have equal to 125. Now just to check there. To find out the value of A and D, coefficient of A or D should be equal. At present in equation 1 we have the coefficient of A 1, and in question here we have the coefficient of A 2. So to make them equal, what I am going to do? I am going to multiply equation 1 by 2. So here we just write down this is equation 2. Why I am multiplying equation 1 by 2? Because either coefficient of A or coefficient of D should be equal. Then only when we will do the addition or subtraction, they will get cancelled there. So it is easy to multiply equation 1 by 2. So that's why I am multiplying it by 2. So multiplying equation 1 by 2. So it will be equal to 2A plus 4D is equal to 30. What I did? Multiplied equation 1 by 2. Now what we will do? Equation 2 minus this equation. You don't have to write. Directly write down the second equation here only. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Do the subtraction. 2A will get cancelled. 4 minus 9 will be equal to minus 5. Minus 5D is equal to 30 minus 25 will be equal to 5. So we will get D is equal to minus 1. What we got? D is equal to minus 1. Now we want the value of A. So value of A we can calculate by substituting in any equation. So it was easy to substitute in this one. We wrote A plus 2D is equal to 15. Now substitute the value of D here. A plus 2 into minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 will be equal to minus 2 is equal to 15. So from here A will be equal to 15 plus 2, 17. So we got A is equal to 17 and D is equal to minus 1. So the first one is over. Value of D is minus 1. Next we want A10. A10 is equal to, according to the formula it will come A plus 9D. Now substitute the value. A is equal to 17 plus 9 into minus 1. So 17, 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. 17 minus 9 will be equal to minus 8. So hope the method is clear to you. So moving on to the next question. In this question, it was given A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 4 and Sn is equal to 740. We have to find out the value of N and An. So shall we start? Okay. First we want N. So using the information, these two okay. Sn is given there 740. Now we'll substitute the value Sn. N by 2 into 2a. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus n minus 1 into d. D is equal to 4 is equal to 740. N by 2 into here minus 2. 4 I am multiplying here. So it will be equal to 4n minus 4 is equal to 740. N by 2 into 4n minus 2 minus 4 will be equal to minus 6 is equal to 740. Now to make our calculation easy, what we can do, we can take 2 common from here. So then that 2 which is in denominator, that will get cancelled. I am showing how to do that one. N by 2 into, from here I took 2 common. So inside the bracket what will come? From here 2 taken common. So it will be equal to 2n minus 3 is equal to 740. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled and remaining I am multiplying it by n. So it will be equal to 2n square minus 3n minus 740 is equal to 0. Can you tell me why I shifted that 740 to left hand side? Yes, which type of equation we are getting? We are getting a quadratic equation. And now either you can solve the quadratic equation by factorization method or by quadratic formula. So I think so many big numbers are there. So using quadratic formula will be easy. So I am writing now n is equal to, we are finding here n. What was the formula? Minus b. Yes, so minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square. B square. So that will be equal to minus 3 square 9 minus 4ac 4 into 2 into minus 740 by 2a 2 into 2 4. Minus into minus will be equal to plus there. Plus or minus square root of 9 minus into minus will be equal to plus. 4 2s are 8. 0 already we can write. 4 2s are 8. Now I am multiplying it by 74 because already 0 written there. 8 4s are 32. Carry over 3. 8 7s are 56. Plus 3 will be equal to 59 by 4. So it will be equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 5929 by 4. Now we have to check what will be the square root of 5929. 3 plus or minus. Just to check what will be the square root of 5929. If it is difficult for you, just to check what is 7 square. 70 square will be equal to 4900 and 80 square will be equal to 6400. I am just showing you how we can check it out. 70 square is 4900. 80 square is 8 8s are 64. So 6400. So this number will come between these two and we have 9 in the unit place. So between 70 and 80, either 73 square or 77 square only will give you 9 in the unit place. So square root of this, either it will be equal to 73 or 79. Just to check which one it will be. Square root of 5929 is 77 by 4. So we are getting two values for n. First is 3 plus 77 by 4. Next is 3 minus 77 by 4. 3 plus 77. 77 plus 3 will be equal to 80 by 4. Here we are getting a negative value and n is the number of terms. Negative value not possible. So here only you can write not possible because n will never be negative. This one we can cancel. So we are getting n is equal to 20. So the first part is over. Find n over. An doesn't mean that you have to find the general term. We got the value of n. So now what we have to find out? An meaning we want A20. So we'll write An is A plus 19D. And what was the value of A? A was equal to minus 1. Substitute the value. Minus 1 plus 19 into 4. So it will be equal to minus 1 plus 19 fours are 76. So 76 minus 1 is equal to 75. Moving on to the next question. We have in the next question A is equal to 8. An is given. Sn is given. Question is find n and d. So again from the information we will check what are the things we will get. An is equal to 62 is given. So from there what we will get? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. In that only A is given. So we'll substitute the value of A there. 8 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. So 8 I am shifting to right hand side. So we will get n minus 1 into d is equal to 62 minus 8. 62 minus 8 I am doing the subtraction also. 12 minus 8 is 4. So it will be equal to 54. So we are getting n minus 1 into d is equal to 54. Make it equation number 1. Now we'll check from the next one what are the information which we will get. Sn is equal to 210 is given. So again value of n we don't know. N by 2 into 2a. In place of a we have 8. So 2 into 8 16 plus n minus 1 into d. That also we don't know. Equal to 210 is given. Now here we have two unknowns n and d. So now we will check by using equation 1 whether we can convert it into one unknown only. Just check the information. N minus 1 into d is equal to 54. Do we have n minus 1 into d in this equation? Yes, here we have n minus 1 into d. So in place of this what we can rewrite? 54. Yes, so write down there n by 2 into 16 plus. In place of n minus 1 into d, I am substituting 54. From where? From the first equation. Equal to 210. Now we'll simplify it. We'll get n by 2 into 54 plus 16. 54 plus 6 will be equal to 60. Plus 10 will be equal to 70. Correct? Equal to 210. Here 70 and 2 we can cancel, so it will be equal to 35n is equal to 210. Now I am shifting 35 to right hand side, so it will be equal to n is equal to 210 by 35. Both are divisible by 7, so we can cancel it by 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are, and then 0. Again we can cancel it by 5. So we will get n is equal to 6. So the first one is over. N we got is equal to 6. Now we want the value of d. So I think in the first equation we wrote n minus 1 into d is equal to 54. Please check, this only we wrote? Yes. Now here we will substitute the value of n. We got n is equal to 6. So substitute here. 6 minus 1. So that will be equal to 5d is equal to 54. So we will get d is equal to 54 by 5. n minus 1 into d is equal to 54 was there. So we substituted the value of n. So we got d is equal to 54 by 5. Moving on to the next question. So in this question these are the informations which we have. Now again we will check from the given information what are the things which we will get. First one, an is equal to 4 is given. So formula is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. Now we will check the values if anything is given. Yes, d is equal to given. So we will substitute the value. So we will get a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4. We can't do anything there. If you want, you can shift this a to right hand side. We'll check. So from here we will get n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4 minus a. Make it equation number 1. Now next information, that is Sn. Sn is equal to minus 14 is given. Sn, according to the formula, it will be equal to n by 2 into 2a. A is not given, so we'll write 2a only, plus n minus 1 into d. In place of d we have 2 is equal to minus 14 is given. Now again here we have two unknowns, n and a. So here from here we have to check whether we can convert anything, so that we should have only one variable there. From here, just to check whether we can convert n in terms of a or a in terms of n. Which one will be easy? I think a, conversion of a will be easy. So from the first equation, a again I am shifting to left hand side, so it will be equal to n minus 1 into 2 is equal plus a is equal to 4. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write a in terms of n. So a will be equal to 4. Instead of writing, first you multiply here, otherwise you will get confused. 2n minus 2 plus a is equal to 4. So a is equal to, now shifting 2n minus 2 to right hand side. So it will be equal to 4 minus 2n plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 2n. So we got a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Now we will substitute the value of a in this equation. N by 2 as it is 2 into a. So 2 into 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 into 2 we wrote there. So I am multiplying it by 2. So it will be equal to 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 14. Now we don't have a, we have only n. N by 2 into 6 will be equal to 12 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 14. So 1n by 2 into 12 minus 2 will be equal to 10 minus 4n plus 2n. So that will be equal to minus 2n is equal to minus 14. Again 2 we can take common, and that 2 will get cancelled by this denominator. So I am rightly writing here n into cancelled 2, taken 2 common. So here 5 will remain, minus 2 taken common. So only n will remain is equal to minus 14. So again we are getting a quadratic equation here. 5n minus n square is equal to minus 14. So we will shift all the expression to right hand side to make the coefficient of n square positive. So we will get n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. So I think this small number only. So by factorization we can do. Product should be equal to minus 14. 7 2s are. And 7 minus 2 is 5. And 5 is negative. So greater number should be negative. N square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Common factor in these two terms? Yes, n taken outside, n minus 7 plus here 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. So from here we will get n minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. So either n is equal to 7 or n is equal to minus 2. What is n? Number of terms, and the number of terms will never be negative. So we will neglect the negative value. So we will write down the value of n as 7. Now we want the value of a also. Here we wrote a is equal to 6 minus 2n. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. Now substitute the value of a, n there. So it will be equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. So 6 minus 7 2s is 14. And 14 minus 6 is 8. So we will get minus 8. So value of a is equal to minus 8. So hope these type of questions are clear to you.